Hey guys, today I'm doing a review on the 2001 Honda 80R. It's red, as you can see. I think you can get it in blue and black. It's got great shifting right here. Great brake right here. These work pretty good. Clutch pulls in pretty nice. And the front brake, it'll stop you pretty good and flip you on your head. The gas tank, I think, is 3/4 gallon. Tires are pretty nice. This is a brand new tire. The back, front's pretty nice too. I suppose I'll start it now. It kicks over pretty good too. Hold on. My gas on? Yes. I don't remember the last time I started this. And this thing sounds really bad. Gas is right there to turn on and off, and choke is right there. And the chain is really awesome. Kickstand. And as you can see, it's staying started. Carburetor right there, the adjuster's right there. Great forks. So, alright guys, I'm gonna go ride this real quick and we'll see you later then. Peace out. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm not weak if I drive a dirt bike. You are, dude.